Hello everyone, today we would like to show you about our analysis about one of Happy Meal advertisement for kids.
Color analysis. The color of McDonald's has been using human psychology by attracting the appetite. McDonald's is famous for using red and yellow as their theme color, and it is actually with a reason. According to an article written by Paya Sadwani, the color red could increase blood pressure, heart rate, and energy, subsequently leading to a more voracious appetite. Red also could increase excitement, and yellow represent clarity and warmth. They also use colorful graphics to attract children's attention. The graphic analysis. The advertisement of McDonald's is using cartoon animation and using part of the movie. So, in the video, the advertisement start with a movie-like scene, which could make children attracted and pay attention because they thought it's a movie and not an ads.
So for the content analysis, McDonald's used the emotional attachment between kids and a specific brand. In this case, they are using Toy Story 4, which is from Disney and Pixar. The second one, they present the advertisement for food, but only mention the food once in the advertisement. As seen in the advertisement, they only mention the food once in the last part, but they mention all the toy from the beginning until the end. Next is they present the toys in group, and it makes the kids want all the toys, not only one, because they advertise all the toys. They are also using the words that are easily understood by kids. They are not using a complex words, they are using simple words. By this advertisement, McDonald's also used a strategy to sell the food by advertising the toy. As mentioned before, the food only mentioned one, but the toys mentioned from the first until the last. By advertising and have a license with Disney Pixar, by using this kind of advertisement, they are also targeting the grown up, not only the kids. They also targeting the grown up who are grew up with Toy Story. The next one, there are several controversy regarding the advertisement of McDonald's. For example, they has been sued by parents whom their kids are going to McDonald's more than twice a week.
In this part, I would like to share what's the difference between tagline and slogan. The tagline acts as a brand triggers. The tagline can be dubbed as a verbal logo. This is because the tagline should be used as a phrase associated with the brand. Therefore, a good tagline will immediately alert listeners and readers to your brand. Unlike the slogan, the tagline is not used as a product introduction phrase, so it doesn't contain or explain the benefits and features of the product. A good tagline is a tagline that is flexible and can be represent brand identity. The slogan is to communicate your company's why you have to have them, why they appear in your life, and etc. The slogan is used to market a product from a brand. Therefore, the slogan uses phrases that contain stimulus, product description, or even something about the target consumer. Its usefulness makes the slogan often displayed in many places for marketing purposes. For example, can you decide which one is the slogan and tagline from Apple? Yes. Apple tagline is Think Different. Meanwhile, the Apple slogan for iPad 2 is Change is in the air. And now, for McDonald's, they have same tagline and same slogan. The tagline and slogan are the same, which is I'm loving it. In 2015, they changed from I'm loving it into loving been hating in June 1st of June. Tagline or slogan that is easy to remember will be an advantage because a brand will be easier to remember with that identity. With a short phrase, people will immediately remember to your brand or product. You naturally often only hear a short sentence and immediately remember a particular product. If the level of awareness of the product is already high, then every product launched will tend to be more successful in the market. After knowing the difference between tagline and slogan, then use it differently according to their respective functions so that the brand can be known more easily.
In this part, I would like to share how to create a good and appropriate content, especially for the children. First, we have to determine the subject that is appropriate for the children. Second, we have to create an interesting and educational visual content because at the age of small children, they need interesting lessons and not boring. Third, we have to choose a type of music that can attract the children attention. Fourth, we have to choose the suitable celebrities models. Fifth, we have to use an easy words so the children can easily understanding. Six, we have to choose an advertisement that can be used for the children content.
The answer for Ade's question is the agreement and licensing between McDonald's and Disney Pixar to create the toys become the value added to both McDonald's and Disney Pixar as it is a way to promote each company's product.